InviteYourPeeps.com.
Hey, will you come to church with me on Easter Sunday?
I don't know if I want to go to church. I used to go a long time ago, but they were always fighting over dumb stuff, like what color the carpet should be, or what style of music we should play.
Introducing first, in this corner, representing the Blue Carpet Committee, is the Blue Bruiser. And in the other corner, representing the Pink Carpet Committee, is the Pink Punisher. This will be a fight to the death.
You're right, the church has sometimes fallen over some dumb stuff and lost track of what's most important. But why don't you come and check out what our church is really about?
InviteYourPeeps.com.